Hi.
It's April 2026, and this is Level 1 Charleston.
Yes, it is.
No, Level 2 Charleston. Level 2 Charleston.
That's what I meant. Level 2 Charleston. My name's Jeremy. This is
Hannah.
That's right, Hannah. We covered a lot of ground this evening. Everyone did excellent. I gave everyone an A at the end of class, or a Super Grandmaster A, however you want to think about it. We did a bunch of stuff. Let's demonstrate one time. Actually, let's do it at them so they can see what it looks like.
Great. Yeah.
Just do we did some basics.
We remembered those, got them back in our body.
And then we did a skip up, which we just remembered how that worked. Big
Woo!
kick. And then we'll just back up a little bit. And then we did a skip up with a roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick step, kick step. Ended up and close. That's all review. But then we added the extra roll back. We're going to get really tiny in the camera. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick step, kick step, kick step, kick step. We ended up going just a little bit farther. And everyone did excellent when usually everyone does poorly. No offense, older classes. No offense. And then we also had
the kickaways and kickaways with a turn.
They look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And then when we did a turn 2, we just went down the line.
Woo!
Catch. And really, that's what we did. Excellent work, everybody.
Eyes up. It's a pizza.
It's a pizza.